In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and work with 3D models in your Microsoft Word documents. This is a great way to enhance the visual appeal of your documents and make your presentations more engaging. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first need to open your Microsoft Word file. Make sure you have the document ready where you'd like to insert your 3D model. Once your document is open, turn your attention to the top menu bar. Here, click on the Insert tab. This tab is loaded with various options like pictures, shapes, and more. For our purpose today, we're focusing on 3D models. When you're on the Insert tab, go ahead and click on the 3D Models button. You'll see that a drop-down menu appears, offering you a variety of 3D models that you can choose from. This is one of the exciting features of recent Microsoft Office versions, as it allows you to incorporate dynamic elements into your documents. Once you've browsed through the available models and selected the one you want, simply click Insert. This action will place the model directly into your document. Don't worry if it doesn't look right on the page initially. You have the flexibility to adjust its size and position as needed. You can even rotate the 3D model to get the perfect angle that complements the text and images in your document. Now that your model is inserted, it's time to enhance it further. Navigate to the 3D Mode tab. This tab is your control center for everything related to your 3D model. Here you can change the lighting and view, which adds depth and shadow to your model, making it stand out more vividly on the page. Additionally, this tab provides an array of scene and model view options. Don't be afraid to experiment here. Try different settings to find what works best for your particular document. After all adjustments have been made and you're satisfied with how your 3D model looks, you're all set. It's that simple. You've now successfully integrated a dynamic and visually striking element into your document, which can help in conveying your message more effectively. This quick addition can turn a plain document into something much more interesting and engaging, whether you're preparing a report, designing a brochure, or working on another type of project. Your audience will undoubtedly appreciate the extra effort you've put into making your content come alive, and there you have it, a straightforward guide to using 3D models in Microsoft Word. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it inspires you to use this feature creatively in your future documents. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more useful tips and tutorials.